So your first question is sneaked out of home at midnight.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
You want to share the story?
Yes, I sneaked out of my house when I was in, I think, 11th standard. I was in 11th standard, and we sneaked out of my house late in the night because my friends were going to Manali, and I also really wanted to go with them, and my mom was not allowing. And so I just sneaked out in the night with them. And later on, next day, they kept searching for me, and I was nowhere to be found.
Oh, shit.
And so they started calling me. I did not have a phone with me, of course. They started calling my friends and everyone, and one of my friends told them that, okay, fine. That was, I think, the most irresponsible thing I've ever done, because I did not know how the repercussions will be later on. And they were really bad, because when you're so young, you don't just, you don't follow anything. You just in your own self, you just don't care about things which are happening. So that was, I think, the first attack which happened to my mind, and I said, I will never ever do that again to my mom. And because my dad was not around, he was in US at that time, she was alone, and only my brother was there with her. So that struck me. I had never done that again, probably after that.
Yeah. Had a crush on a co-actor?
On a co-actor?
Yeah.
No.
Not yet.
Never.
Okay.
Not yet? No, I will not. My wife will kill me.
No, but
For
वो
that.
crush जरूरी नहीं है ना कि वो उसी तरीके
No,
का हो.
I never had.
You never know if you're working with someone who you have always loved entire life. शायद कोई बॉलीवुड से या कोई, and आप अगर उनके साथ कुछ शूट कर रहे हैं तो obvious सी बात है ना, वैसे तो हो ही सकता है.
Yeah, but I never had a crush on anyone.
Okay, not even in your school days and all.
Of course, in my school days.
हाँ,
But
so
not
हुआ
now.
है ना? Not-
Yeah, of course.
हाँ, yeah.
You
Okay.
spoke about my co-actor. Of course, in
Achha.
school days, though, I had crush on so many girls, but I didn't come through any of them.
Tried an outfit at a mall just to get a good picture?
No,
Never.
never.
Okay. Traveled in Mumbai's local train?
Yes, in the beginning, so much. When I used to go to my Shamak classes, I used to travel from Santa Cruz. I used to live with my mom's friend in Santa Cruz, and I used to travel from there to Grant Road, and I used to go to Shamak's classes over there.
Okay.
I did that for quite 8-9 months, and later on also, because I think in the beginning, in 2005, 6, 7, when I was there, we used to go to famous studio Mahalakshmi. So all auditions used to happen over there, for advertisements, for movies, for everything. So all the production houses were there at that point of time, not in Aram Nagar, but now they are there.
Yes. Had roadside pani puri or street food?
Yes, of course, so many times.
Which is your favorite one?
My favorite one is dahi bhalla papdi chaat.
Okay. So that अमृतसर वगैरह का ज्यादा बेटर होगा मुंबई से.
Chandigarh, yeah,
चंडीगढ़,
yeah, of course.
Gone on an impromptu trip तो आपने पहले ही बता दिया. मनाली.
Yes.
Any other?
Impromptu?
हाँ.
Normal decent impromptu trips though we have done so many times, because when you don't plan anything, it's an impromptu. So
yes.
that too we have done so many. Post marriage also, so many times I've just planned a trip to Lonavala with my family in the night. We just left at 5 to 6 o'clock in the evening and went over there, booked a hotel and stayed and came back next day.
Have you ever traveled without ticket in a public transport?
A train. Mumbai
you
local.
have done that. Oh.
Shit. That was the most scariest time of my life, because I was traveling. But yeah, sorry, I did not got caught. But yes, I traveled on a local train and without ticket. Twice I did that. I don't know why I wanted to save only $10. So, but yes, I got caught once. I think when I was crossing that
Bridge.
not the bridge, the track.
Oh, acha. Okay.
Because I was very new to Bombay. Everyone was crossing the track and the platform was very near. I thought, why to go over the bridge? So I crossed. And when I was about to cross, the cop came and he caught me.
Okay.
He took me to that station and he told me, "Ki bhai, what is happening?" I said, "Sir, please let me go." He said, "No, we'll take you to court." I said, "Court?" I said, "No, it's a very big issue you're creating. Please, 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 please." I said, "Please, sorry. I will not do that again." And I'm very new. I just came to Bombay. It's my first year. I don't want to, spoil my career because of this. So please let me go. He said, "Okay, fine. I'll let you go."
Okay. Okay. Ever shoplifted anything or taken things from a hotel room?
No.
No? No
I
shampoo? No
I am
conditioner?
totally against that. No. Nothing.
Okay, a lot of people do that.
A lot of people do that.
Yes.
A lot of people.
Went to a restaurant and asked for a complimentary item?
Complimentary item. I don't do that. My wife does that so many times. भैया अगर ये करो इसके साथ ये तो दे दो ना. I said, please, यार.
Bargain.
I feel very embarrassed, doing these kind of things. Though I feel shy, I don't have the guts to do it. I can't even bargain properly with even a vegetable vendor, whoever will be there. I cannot bargain at all. I'm not that kind of a person. Though I want to do sometimes, but I just cannot do it. I don't have the, that whole
Courage.
talent to do it.
Okay.
I just know how to do it.
Taken privilege of your celebrity status while you're traveling or being in a leisure place or restaurant?
Never.
Never. But you get it, na? Sometimes.
I do
When
get
your
it, but
show is popular.
I do get it. Yeah, many people do that, but yes, I don't accept it. I don't accept gifts. I don't accept anything. I have strictly said to my fans also, I will not accept any gifts. I get so many messages from all of them, but I've strictly said no. I don't believe in that. I said all your love is more than enough. It's not a very philosophical thing. I'm not making it up, but that's how I am. I just don't like it.
Have you ever stalked anyone on Instagram?
Stalked?
किसी का प्रोफाइल चेक किया हो?
Yes.
स्पेशली जाके बताना चाहेंगे?
नहीं.
नहीं.